what is continuous monitoring? So if you've been in information technology for a long time, you know that IT moves very quickly. It's always changing. It's always evolving. This week, we're on Windows 10. In another year, it could be Windows 12 or 14 or who knows, another version comes out. Not only that, but networking standards change. Different threats change. Different documentation has to track those threats. Controls change. IT, information technology, cyber changes very fast. Continuous monitoring just means that you as an organization are constantly watching for those changes and adjusting accordingly. When the next version of Windows comes out, when the next version of Red Hat, Mac OS comes out, you are watching across your network where those changes happen. As an organization, you're updating that software.